Who did? Bad dog.
Okay.
Are you wearing the same shirt as me? Oh, morning, Prue. Hi, guys. You're both wearing...
Okay, can you say hello? Good boy. Can you say how are you?
Soft hands. Come on. Come on, soft hands. Sit your ass down!
Can I touch you?
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please?
She bit my butt!
Canela, you stealing from me?
Who's sleepy?
Hey, Connie, so good to see you.
Oh, so good to see you. Oh my god.
Again.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude. So I went to a place that sells croissant, and I bought a croissant.
Hey there, little guy. You're not what I expected. Easy? It's okay.
You like the... Oh! Why? Walter. Why?
Good night.
Huh? Seriously?
Don't.
High five. Too slow.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Can you get down? Get down, please. Get your ass down. Mila! Mila! Quit!
Come here.
Where are you two? You're gonna go in timeout if you keep it up. Do you understand me? That's the puppy's nose.
Come back.
Would you stop? Franco. Franco. Franco.
Hey, 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 it's gone. What the fuck?
Only problem I have a problem with is you. That's the only problem I have a problem with.
Manchester, you need to take a shower. What do you mean no?
Bang! Bang!
Are you sure? Are you positive?
Ambi does not like the cows. I got you, Sydney.
Yeah. Oh.
Sit. Sit.
I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss.
No, she bad.
That's it, Hunter. Bad. Bad. That's it. Bad.
Get off my couch and stop talking back.
Go.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Anyone want to go for a walk?
Thank you so much. Really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Check is Duke. Stop. This is. Oh my god. Duke.
So he's really making me laugh.
Wow.
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you.